Wait, malapit.
Hammer.
Guard rune.
Hammer, yeah. Okay, give me guard runs on the front here. Look, they're looking.
Looking yung color sa harapan na.
They're looking, yeah.
My stop.
Ready, counter, 3, 2, 1, no. And then come back. Def. Full defense.
Heal. Mahil yung front.
Heal your front, you're fine.
Nice, we won.
Heal cardio. Yeah, heal cardio.
Sa Ajax, pahil sa Ajax.
Buhay yun.
Heal sa
No,
Ajax.
you tanks get off. You don't have defensives there. If you have, it's fine. Okay, everybody come out and then we reset. Come, all of you, come southeast. Ego, come back. Reset.
Hindi palabot sa dito.
Dalawang engage talaga.
Or you almost dead. Pleb, asan ka, Pleb? Namatay ka?
Oh, sino ba?
Wala namatay.
Wake ata yung una. Isang engage lang.
Pabeda ng...
Yo, can somebody kidnap? Spirit Hunter mangidnap ka nga.
Please.
Guard run front, please.
Ako na. My guard run.
What siya?
Be ready, they're gonna look, they're looking. Hold on. That's okay, my Spirit Hunter. No, my Spirit Hunter, wait. I think they have second engage. They're looking, ready to headbutt here, look.
16 days sila Oris ha. Dalawa nga engage ito.
Hindi 16
4
tayo.
lang sila, tayong 16.
Ay gago, sorry, my bad.
Mata sila.
Nakayami pala ang ano ko. Select ko. My bad.
Come, kill the guards here, and then dodge the gate.
Be careful on the overwall Northwest
GAs, be ready to stop them.
Yep.
Look, they're looking.
Nag-blink na.
They're trying to hit, look.
Careful over the wall.
May GA. Nagbato na ako ng GA.
Ready, you're gonna headbutt. Give me gig pots, okay? Be ready. Supports be ready, you're gonna headbutt. Ready. Just be ready. Not yet. Just wait. Be ready. Heal me over on the front, please. Give me blight stacks on the front, please. Thank you. Look, be ready. They're looking. Def. 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Full send.
Mga GA.
And then come back.
It's
It's okay. Nice try. Be careful, tanks, okay? Hammer. Everybody, second engage is the gate's gonna broken. Be ready. Gig pot when you walk in, okay? Okay. Yeah. Everybody step in. Wait. Hold on. Come back. Dodge the barrels, boys. Careful over the walls, okay?
Re-reset ko muna to Orius bago pumasok.
Sige. Give me stacks at the front, please. Careful. They're looking again.
Re-reset na ako. 15 seconds.
Try to hammer. They're looking.
Engaging.
Def.
Def.
Who died there?
Dami.
Dead doon.
Jesus
Tatlo.
Christ. Bigyan comeback, mga to eh. Okay, everybody OC.
Dalawa namatay. Ay, tatlo.
Looking.
Yeah, guard rune. Where the fuck is the guard rune on the front?
Cycle ng guard run, please. Sa front mismo.
Look, do not click out once we're in, okay?
Okay.
10 seconds.
Tanks, be ready to hold them now. Look, I'm gonna be the fake. You're gonna hit on ego, okay? Wait now. Okay, wait. Careful on the choke. Tanks, get in first. Tanker, step up. Wait now. Heal me on the front. Be ready. They're gonna look here. Look. Be ready on the choke. Ready on the choke. 3, 2, 1 on the choke. Hit the choke. Headbutt. Gig pot together. And then brawl them out. Demon out.
Engaging sila.
Yeah, demon. Root bound and demon. Hold now. And brawl them out. Kill them all. Def. Gig pot, boys. You're fine. Heal me on the front. Heals inside. Look. Judy's inside. Look. Second engage. Look at me. Wait now. Hold here. Yo. Brawlers brawl. Look, brawlers brawl. Look at me. Wait now. Ready. Yo, all of you, DPS, look at me. Wait now. Tanks keep holding them. Ready. Inside us. 3, 2, 1, inside us now, inside us now, inside us now, inside us now. And then everybody slowly step out. Tanks hold the west side, tanks hold the west side. Tanks hold the west side. If you're low, go northeast. If you're low, go northeast. Step out, step out, step out. Be careful, be careful. Def. Gig pot. Nice. You're fine. Yo, brawl them down. Yo, everybody come northeast. You guys are dying. Come northeast. Come northeast. Be ready. Look, if you die, trigger.
Pahil.
Be ready. Look at me. Hold now. Move, niggers. Move. Hold. Just wait.
Yung kan back eh.
Look. Gate. 3, 2, 1. Counter now. Hit. And then come back. Come back. Heal up. Look, if you die, trigger now. Jesus Christ. We're down to 7%. Hold now. Look, hold. Come north side. Look, come north side. Come in. Tanks, hold them there. Fast. Come in fast. Come northeast. Go northeast fast. Careful on the gate. They're looking. Nice step. Yeah. Ready on me. Wait. Come south on me. 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Headbutt. I died. Get out.
Ego.
Get out.
Go out now.
Ego call.
Drop Judy. Go out now. Tanks, pull out. Go back. Healer seal. Go back. Heal us. Don't, wag masyadong back. Andito kami.
Huwag masyadong mount up, guys. Don't
Okay, iwan
mount
yung
up
front,
yet.
guys.
Don't mount up yet. Don't mount up. We fight pa ba, boss?
Yeah, fight.
Fight.
Pwede pa to.
Kaya mo yan, Igo.
Come. Tanks, go front again. Go front again. Be ready. Gonna engage ha. Be ready. Wag don't spread. Just wait. We play counter. Just wait.
Cycle guards on the front, please.
Yep. They're pulling us in
Yeah, they're gonna do the same.
Everybody go out. Pretend like we're going out. We're going out. Pretend. Come.
Ingat
Tanks,
ako.
watch their mount.
Yep,
Watch
I'm good.
likod na. Are they following us?
No, they're not. They're just holding the west gate, second floor. Look, they're looking. I stop there.
Yo, come out. Come. Follow me.
Get me.
Delays now. Look on the shield. Ready in 3, 2, 1. On the shield now. Nice engage. Now, go back again.
Dahil mo pababa.
Walk in inside. They're panicking. Wala silang defensive. Come. Drop
Ready
you this on
defense.
front. Nice. Keep
seconds,
coming.
Careful, choke,
Guys,
careful,
huwag mag-stuck sa, Huwag kayo mag-stuck sa gate. Spread here inside. Mag-engage sila dyan, Mag-engage sila. Ready def.
Mag-engage na.
Just wait. Ready def. Ready again.
Mag-engage
On the gate. In 3, 2. No, wait. Cancel. Go back. Go back. Nakakain natin yung barrel.
Babarrel
Go
ka.
back. Yeah. Go back first. Go back. Guys, go back. Pag nahuli kayo dyan, mamamatay kayo dyan. Go back muna. Go back. It's okay. We kill one of their guys there.
Konti
Yes,
na lang
wait,
pala healer natin.
How many healers party 2 na nasa fight pa? Ay, party 1.
Tatlo, 4.
Okay. We're still good.
Padating yung dalawa.
Nandito na
Oh,
siya.
dito.
Just wait. It's okay. We're playing tug of war here. Just wait. Avoid the barrels, guys, Don't eat the barrels. Magra-rush yan sa atin, Defensive, be ready, Yeah, magra-rush sa atin yan. Defensive upstairs, Defensive upstairs.
Looking.
Pretend to go back now. So, slowly go out. We pull them instead. Lugi kasi tayo sa barrel dyan, If dito tayo magpa-fight, pwede pa, Dala mo nila natin barrel dyan, Yeah. Keep dodging, guys. We're still healthy guys, mari pa tayo healer. Keep kidnapping Tawa. Pag may nakidnap si Tawa, pwede natin i-burst yan. Tanks be ready to
Ito
stop
yung
them.
kidnap tong ano. eh.
Kalat niyo yung down. Brawl. Brawl
Looking,
tayo.
Up, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. They're looking on the stairs, ah.
Looking
Tanks, be
hodge,
careful,
looking
ah.
hodge.
Yeah. Tanks, be careful, ah. Don't get farm.
Engage
Okay,
na.
engage. Walk up, walk in now.
Go,
Walk
go,
in,
go.
walk in. Gigapats now, gigapats, walk in, gigapats. Ready? On me, ready? 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Good shit, then brawl. Go in, guys, go in.
Dodge the barrel, dodge the barrel.
Engage na yan ah.
Go in. Spread UD. Ready defensive,
boys, spread.
Guys, go in.
Go in,
Mga
long.
brawlers go. Defend that.
Dep. Full defense.
Defend. Nice.
Stop.
On the gate again.
Pahil kayo pag low, pahil kayo.
2, 1. On the gate now. 1 minute. Delete this shit.
Oh,
Good shit, guys. Nice one.
Nice,
Tap
good
now.
shit.
Chase them. They're running. Chase them.
Mag-face yan, mag-face yan, ah.
Click the gate, yeah. Click the gate, guys.
Careful, ah. May engage yan, ah.
They're panicking. Yeah, ready defensive. We have engage again. Ready in 3, 2, 1. On me now, delete this shit. Nice.
Nice, full white.
Nice one, gago.
Hammer.
Nice. Good job, guys. Ganun, don't be afraid to walk
Ay,
in.
6
Brawler
bar
tayo.
doon sa northeast.
Local,
I see it. Go. Yes, come. Sige. Jack, go north. Jack, go north.
Yung mga nasa
Lord.
first floor, go out. Yung mga nandito sa kasama ko, mag-hammer lang.
Ikot kayo.
Tangina,
Go
ikot
up,
tayo.
Gago, may bunk.
On top.
6-3 oh. Nandun sa ano.
6-4 yan,
Good
6-4.
shit, guys.
Uli mo.
Yummy, help Yummy. Hello, help Yummy. Nice.
Ano din yung pamapatay ito?
Ulan eh.
Drop
Huli
me in
Marius.
3, 2, 1.
Hindi
Good shit, guys.
Gusto ko yung...
Kaya naman pala eh. Tanga na grabe yung pressure nyo dun, di ba?
Huwag kayong matakbo.
Good
Ang
shit.
lahat ng defense nagsa-southeast kagad eh. After
Kaya nga sabi ko, go in na eh. Putik na yan. Tank lang lang
Look,
dun
one
eh.
guy. Stay on the gate. Blaster. West side. Going west. Yeah, going west.
Dismount
Mana sa west,